Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Almighty Choice Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about types of pronouns, which is a very important grammar trick for year 5 in NAPLAN. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify different type of pronouns, use them correctly in sentence, and improve your handwriting. All right, let's jump straight in. So first, what exactly is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. For example, Sarah has a dog. Instead of repeating Sarah and dog, we use she and it. That makes the sentence sound smoother. As we know, she replaces Sarah and it replaces dog. The most common pronoun is a personal pronoun that replaces specific people or things. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For example, Tom is late. So, he missed the bus. So here, he replaces Tom. Next, we have possessive pronouns. These show ownership. For example, mine, yours, his, her, ours, and theirs. For example, this book is mine. That shows this book belongs to me. It tells who owns the book. Now, let's have a look at reflexive pronouns. They refer back to the subject. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, and themselves. For example, she made the cake herself. So herself refers back to she. Next are the demonstrative pronouns. They point to something. For example, this, that, these, those. Example, these are my shoes. This and these are used to point out for the near things, while that and those are for the far away things. Relative pronouns, they help to add extra information. For example, who, which, that. For example, the boy who won the race is my friend. The word who tells us more about the boy. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask the questions. These have the words who, whom, whose, which, and what. For example, who is at the door? If you see a question, check if the question word is acting as a pronoun. Indefinite pronouns refer to specific people or things. These words include someone, anyone, everyone, something, and nothing. For example, everyone was excited. We don't know exactly who, just a general group. That means it refers to non-specific people. Now we have a practice time. Now it's your turn. You will pause the video and try this out. She ran quickly. What type of pronoun is it? This is my seat. Someone knocked. He hurt himself. Pause the video and see if you can identify the pronoun types. I'll be showing the answers shortly. Make sure you have written the answers in your book or on a piece of paper to be sure about the answers. Here we go. The first one was personal. Second one was demonstrative, indefinite, and reflexive. How did you go? So before we finish, remember, pronouns replace noun. Different type of pronouns have different jobs. Using them correctly improve your writing. So make sure you use them correctly, check the subject and verb agreement. Thanks for learning with the multi-choice tutorials. If this lesson helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more Year 5 lessons, and turn on the notification. Remember, Almighty Choice is motivation for education. See you in the next video.